Man, I wish that I had more of me, since I'm the only 550 left in the USA. I hailed from Colorado and there are not many sirens there for me to hang out with. Wait. I know. I can build a cloning machine. Yes. This is gonna be so freaking awesome. But first, I need to get supplies. Hello. Hi. How may I help you? Do you guys sell equipment or machinery? No, we don't. But there is a Home Depot across the street. Okay, thanks. Hello.
Hi. How may I help?
Where's the machinery?
It's over in aisle 6.
Okay, thanks. Okay, now it's time to build this thing. Okay, it's finally done. Now it's time to test it. Holy crap. It worked. Huh? Where am I? Welcome to the world. What's my name? I'll call you 551. Awesome.
Yeah? Watch this. Wow. A cloning machine. Wait. I have an idea. I'll clone myself several times and make the clones chase after my thunder baby. This is gonna be hilarious. Okay, Army. Thunderbolt is over there. Now go get him. Yes, Master.
What a nice day.
Get over here, thunder baby.
Holy crap. There's like 21,000 trees. Oh wait, I can fire my laser at them.
I'm a firing my laser!
Dang it. He destroyed all of my clones.
1003. Is there an explanation for there being a massive horde of 1003s coming after me?
I don't know.
Fine. If it was you, which it probably was, don't do that again.
A cloning machine. I wonder if I can tease Waylon with lots of me's. This is gonna be so funny. Okay, now to tease Waylon. Wait, he has collector rings now. Dang it. Wait, I can make fun of HBSS 16R instead. Collector rings, collector rings, collector rings, collector rings, collector rings, collector rings.
Okay, first of all, that's rude. And second of all, why is there a bunch of you?
It's a long story.
HBSS 16R, I saw a cloning machine outside. And how can I use it to—
That should teach him. He can't just state like that.
What the heck is your problem? Now there's only one gas-powered mobile director left in the US, and that is the inactive one in Culver City, California. You know what? I'll get you giant set of rock band speakers.
Hey, don't call me that.
Oh yes. A cloning machine. Now it's time to clone myself. But this time, I'm gonna clone myself twice. Yes. Now I must tease everyone. Stop right there, P50. You are under arrest. Why? I did nothing wrong. You threatened to tease everyone in TSM world with your clones. Now come on. You and your clones are going to jail once again.
Dang it.
I called the cops on you. He's right. God dang it, you gassy blue toilet. You're such a snitch. Call me a toilet again and see what happens.
Okay, that's enough. Well crap. I forgot that I left this out in the open. Let's take it back inside. Wait, why is Pete50 there with a clone? Oh no. Pete50 broke out of jail and used my cloning machine to make another clone. This is bad. Wait, I can use this glitch potion in his clone. Haha. Now his clone will turn out very bad.
Hey. Why did you do that? I don't feel so good.
What the heck did you do to me, you idiot?
Haha, you look so stupid.
I'm a siren believer!
What? That wasn't supposed to happen. I thought I found you. Now come on, today is punishment day for breaking out of jail.
Oh no. Not punishment day again. Hannah. His eggs the part, when other sirens used it, I had fun with my cloning machine. You said it. Now let's have a Tempest Cola. I'll get it. Hello? Hi. Holy bro. And why are you with BN20 and Banshee?
We need you to get rid of that cloning machine.
Yeah. It's getting way too dangerous. Super Cyrex and Cyrex cloned themselves and started making fun of my et.
Look at that stupid et.
Shut up.
And ATI cloned himself and he won't stop bleeping. I tried sounding off, but it was no use. I can't get rid of the noise. Oh my god. Shut the heck up. Well, crap. I can't get rid of the noise.
So we need you to get rid of it. What? All of those sirens actually did that?
Yes.
Destroy it now. Okay.
I'm a siren believer!
There. It's gone. Okay, good. Now see you later. That sucks. 5 hours of work for nothing. Hey, at least I'm still here. I guess you have a point. I'll get it. Hello?
Hey there, double vision.
Hey, don't call me that.
How many times do we gotta tell you not to break out of jail? This is like the 100th time you broke out of jail.
LOL, that's what you get for calling me double vision, you barf bucket. Here. Now, since Pete50 is gone, we can have our Tempest Cola in peace.
Hey. What do you say?
Go away. We don't care. Good riddance.
Agreed. Now let's take his pull to West Shore, sir. Dang it. How dare you fire your laser at me, you gassy blue toilet. That's it. Even though I ain't P50, I'll just do this.
Ugh. I got it all over me.
Are you kidding me? Like, come on, man. You're not P50. That's it. Since you made me shred up a bottle of Tempest Cola for a stupid reason, I am now going to teleport you to the Burp Asylum. Oh no. Not the Burp Asylum.
Serves him right. Agreed.